it was almost like a flip of the coin. I couldn't decide, and I thought, you know what, I will always regret it if I don't go to law school. So, and at that time, we're talking like the early 90s, like 1990, 1991. At that point in time, it was difficult to get a job as a teacher. And I was a little bit discouraged to go into education for that reason. Of course, not like now where teachers are in such great need.
Correct.
But in any event, I ended up just making the decision to apply to law school. I had at that point taken a job as a filing clerk at the U.S. Bankruptcy Court, which was actually a really good paying job. It was a federal job. And
federal jobs are great. Federal jobs.
And I decided to go to school at night, which was only an extra year. So I was newly married. We had bought a house in Washington Township. I had, started this job at the U.S. Bankruptcy Court, and I had applied to Temple, Widener, and Rutgers. I had not heard whether or not I was going to get into Rutgers, and I had been accepted at Widener. And I got a call. I remember sitting at this little cubicle, and I got a call from the folks at Widener. This is like pre-internet, I think, even, or right around when the internet started. And they said, "Hey, we're starting this new program. You could actually start in a few weeks. It's called the Spring Accelerated Program, SAP. You can complete 1 year of your evening division between January and August, and then by September, which was when I was originally planning on starting anyway, you will be in your second year." I really wanted to go to Rutgers because it was closer. I was, working in Camden. It was obviously cheaper. I called Rutgers. They hadn't made a decision. They said, "Look, go to Widener. If you do well, you can transfer." And that's exactly what I did. I went to Widener. I finished a whole year of the Spring Accelerated Program between January and August while I was working full-time. Did well, transferred to Rutgers, and spent the next 3 years at Rutgers going at night. And it was really hard. I really would not recommend it to anyone.